Initial review of the M12 FUEL toolkit. Comes with the impact driver, the hammer drill. You get, with the kit, you get the impact driver and hammer tool, of course, and then you get a 4 amp hour battery, a 2 amp hour battery, one of their little poopy 12 volt charging cases. The reason I say it's poopy is because it should be an M18 one with a 12. That's another video and another topic. But anyways, we're just gonna run these through the ringer a little bit, see how they go, get my initial thoughts on them, and then if these guys work, we can maybe have a little fun at the end and put the 6 amp hour battery that we have charging right now and run that. We're gonna run some 2.5 inch exterior wood screws like we did in the other one with the M18s, and then we're gonna step it up and do the 3/8 lag screws like we did with the M18s. First up, we'll do the impact driver. Start with the 2 amp hour battery, shove that in there, fully charged. We'll start out on setting 1. Just do some basic wood screw, 2.5 inch, Phillips 2 head. Let's get it started. Oh. That's pretty impressive actually for just setting one. Little intro. Still 4 bars, 2 amp hour battery too. So we'll do 1, setting 2, so you can see. Ready? Not too bad. 4 bars. Let's do setting 3. Get started. No problem at all. 4 bars. Okay, cool. That was actually really freaking easy. So let's step it up to the 4 amp hour. Let's just do setting 3. Just see how easy it runs through. Do like 3 of them, 2 of them. So let's just see. Oops. Oh my gosh. No problem. 4 bars. I forgot you guys can see it on that side too. Well, no mind, you can't. Thought you could. We'll do one more just to be safe. 4 bars. Oops. I'm gonna run that one. 4 bars. What can you say? Okay. So right now, this guy, great. Let's move over to the hammer drill, then we'll go to the big boys at the end. So let's take that out. Hammer drill time. Start with the 2 amp hour battery. 4 bars. Start off, this just has a 1 and 2 setting. Start off at 1. Torque, we're just gonna have max torque, but you can adjust the torque on these with the clutch. Okay, we'll take out the little Phillips 2 blade, put it in this big boy. Okay, got that on tight. Let's try it out. Let's get started. All right. Well, no problem. On the 2 amp hour battery. Do one more. Actually, we'll do 1 and 2. See how fast that does. 2 amp hour battery, 4 bars. That was pretty good. Let's see how fast it takes it out. Just as fast. Take another one out. No problem. 4 bars. See how fast it puts in 1 with the 4 amp hour. 4 bars. That's very impressive. Do one more. We'll do 4 just with on setting 1, just to see You can still tell the difference. 4 bars. We'll take one out and put it back in on setting 2. Setting 2, take it out. Put it back in. Put it in a different hole. No problem. Take it out. No problem. Cool. That's very impressive. Now, put that bad boy back in. 4 bars. Oh, let's make sure. Full bars. Can't lie about that. Put the little socket. Let's do one of these bad boys. Alright, 2 amp hour battery. We have to do 73. If it works pretty well, we'll go down the chain, no problem. 73, full bars. Let's try it out. Do it right there. I'm going the wrong way. A little bit more. It dropped 1, but you gotta think, going off back and forth, that's still really impressive. And that's flush, and that's a 2 amp hour battery. That was pretty impressive. Let's do one more. Let's just throw it out. See how it goes. Three bars. Take them out like nothing, 3 bars. Drop down to 2. Okay, so you gotta think 2 amp hour battery is not that big. Okay, that was the little guy. Let's move up the ranks. Put in this big boy. This guy. Put that chuck in. Also, we'll go back to there and try lowering it down because it made it. See how this guy does. Let's start with 2, just to have it on file. 2 amp hour battery, 3 bars, 2 bars, 3 bars. There it does. Go right here. Max torque, 22. One more time. Okay. Step it up. That was still on 2 guys, sorry. 4 bars. Four bars, okay. So, doesn't like playing with that guy. That's okay. Probably because it's not really meant for socket drivers. I just want to see how it'll go. So I'm not worried. We'll just keep building up on this guy, and then we'll just put in some screws with that guy. That sounds about right. I just want to see if that guy could stand. And honestly, I'm surprised he made it that far. So, cool with that. Let's keep going with this 2 amp hour battery. Let's take it all the way in, 2 amp hour, 3 bars. It was at 2, but it could. Oh. I'm taking it out. Nice. 2 bars, like I said. Okay. Let's take it out. No problem. Woo. Alright. We're gonna blurp that. Let's try 2 bars. Let's try to do it on 2. I'm kind of interested, and let's see. You know, it's a 2 amp hour battery. I'm actually pretty shocked at how far it's came. So let's see. out with number 2. Still 2 bars. Not bad. 2 bars. Alright. Step it up. Let's bring it to the 4 amp. See how fast I can do it. Let's try it 1. Full bars. Try this guy. Right there. I think it's going to make it, but I'm not waiting here all day to do that. So we're just going to up it to 2. Still 4 batteries. Three bars down, so that's impressive. Let's take it out. Still number 2. Still 3 bars. Let's try one that's not that hot. Ooh, that's hot. Put it over here. Let's do number 3. Let's see how fast it can go on. 4 amp hour battery. It says 4 bars. That's almost flush. Like literally. See if it can get it. 3 bars. Number 3. No, I was wrong. Let's try one more time. Yeah, okay, so now we got 2 in the stud. That's great. Still 3. Oh, yeah, that smells. Ooh. Yeah, something's cooking. Alright, 3 bars still. Really impressive. Let's just do. Hey, you guys get to see the fun one. We're doing 6-hour amp batteries. That ended on 3. Eventually we'll get some big boys, some long screws. Because honestly, I was not expecting these guys to outperform this well. So we'll get some bigger screws eventually, some bigger lag bolts to put in, and I'll actually bring my 1/2 inch and we'll see what really it can do. 6 amp hour battery, full bars. Let's do 7-1. It probably will end up just the same as 4, so I'm not going to wait through it, but let's just see. That's basically what we thought. I was just going to do that the whole time. It's up to saying 2, boom, but it's going to finish. That's impressive. That even on 1, it takes a long time, but it's going to do it. Should I be surprised anymore? I don't think so. Full bars. Take it out. Maybe actually take it out. Full bars. I was on setting 2, that whole thing. You know, let's try something. Let's do a couple. Let's do a couple and setting 3. You know, see how it goes. Whew. Whoa. Yeah, that's hot. As Will Smith says, that's hot. Put that in. Put it in the right way. Like 4 bars. We'll do 4, take them all out, see if we can lower it. Bars. This is like almost even more impressive than the M18s. So take that as you will. Full bars. One more. Full bars. Come closer and check this out. You'll see how far these guys have gone in. Literally, like, and I could go further if I wanted to. I'm trying not to. That's the guy that got stuck over here. And there's all these, or them. A couple of these, some of these are the other ones. But these 4, that's all. Watch how fast. Full battery, and number 3. Watch how fast this is going to take it out. Like basically just nothing. Full battery, 6 amp hour battery. That just shows that's amazing. That's absolutely amazing. I'm very shocked by that. Like, this could literally go all day. It's a little bit warm. I can tell the whole body, but honestly, like, it should be if it's like that. This guy we didn't use too much. We'll put in a couple low guys with the 6 amp, just so we have a little bit of footage with on 6 amp. 6 amp, full battery. Let's take, wherever I put Phillips 2 head. Tie that dude down. See how he does. So let's do 1 right here. Oh. Great. No problem there. Still full. Yeah. These could go all day. This hammer drill, no problem. A couple more. Still full battery. And that's with doing all that crap. That's one. Just full battery. Number 2. I don't know what else I really need to say, but these are like my go-to tools now. I thought, at the initial thought, I was like, you know what, I'm going to get the M18s first. That's going to be my main. People are right. Everyone's right on the internet that says they use their M12s more than their M18s. I didn't believe them, but no, for sure. These 2 drills are my go-to when I need anything, like literally anything. They're amazing. They maybe aren't as powerful, but honestly, they come pretty close. And they're a lot more compact. You can throw them anywhere. Literally, all you need is, like, you don't even have to get this out. Just take the impact. Take an impact. Even take a 2 amp hour. You saw what that 2 amp hour was doing. Take a 2 amp hour battery. Take one of these. Fold that up. If I can do that. Boom. And you don't even need that bit because you got it in there. I'm just saying, it comes pretty good. And even if you want 4 amp, throw that in there. You got a little kit. That's a little tool kit. You literally can do almost anything with that. I can't tell you how much stuff I've done with just this. I have used this a couple times, actually a lot of times, but I would say I use this a lot more. My M18s I use. I love my M18s. I use all of them. But if you're trying to just get started and get into it, I would 100% recommend starting with the M12s, even though I know people are probably like, well, let me get the bigger ones, start, and then get the M12s for my live stuff. This can probably do almost everything you want it to do. I would literally be shocked if, unless you're like a pro contractor, which you could be. I don't know why you're watching this video, but like I would for sure get the M12s. I would start out with this little combo kit. Like I said, you get these 2 drills, a 2 amp, a 4 amp, a charger, and then the bag. It is usually $229.99 on Home Depot, and a lot of times they run sales. Like it's either less than that, or you get a free tool with it. So you get I don't know, usually it's like a ratchet wrench or something. You get something with it. It's kind of get a free gift. That's what they call it. So yeah, I would recommend. I'll leave a link to these in the description. And yeah, like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions. And yeah, catch you guys in the next video. Have a good one.